Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if settings app is not working in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So we all know that the settings app is the most important app for Windows 11 as it allows you to customize your experience with Windows 11. And if it is not working, the situation is difficult, and let us see how you can resolve this problem with the help of different solutions we will be sharing in this video. So starting with our solution first, and in this case, if you are not able to open settings app using one method, you can try alternative method such as using the keyboard shortcut like pressing Windows plus I keys will open settings app. Another alternative thing you can try is press Windows plus X and then select settings, or press N key and the setting app is launched immediately. Another alternative you can try here is using the MS settings URI commands. For this you have to right click on the start button and select run, and then in the run window type ms-settings column and press the enter key or click OK, and this will launch the settings app instantaneously. In case if you are not able to open any specific page of the settings app, you can use ms-settings URI command, and all the commands to specific pages of settings app are mentioned in the linked article on the video description. You can use the commands mentioned in that article to open specific pages of the settings app. Now here we have solution number 2. In this case, we will repair the settings app. In case if you are partially able to open settings app, just use the search on your Windows 11 and search for settings and then click app settings. Now this will land you to the app settings page for the settings app. In that window, scroll down and locate the reset heading and you will find repair button there. Just click on it, and this repair button is there in order to repair the settings app. In case if it is not working, this won't affect app data. Once you see the check mark next to repair, the repair is completed, and see if the issue is resolved. Next we have solution number 3. In this case we will use command prompt. In this case we will check for file corruption on your system, and for that you can just open command prompt and run system file checker scan. So simply use the command sfc/scan now and press the enter key. The sfc scan will take care of the file corruption on your system and automatically fix it. Once it is done, hopefully the settings app should be repaired and it should working fine then. Up next we have solution number 4. In this case we will try to create a new user account, because if something is wrong with your current user account and you can't open settings app due to it, you can give a try to create a new user account. So simply head over to local users and groups snap-in by using luser-mgr.msc command. In local users and groups snap-in window, click action and then select new user and type in the username and the rest of the details here like password. Most important are the username and password in this window, and then just click on the create button in order to create a new user account to test if settings app works on it. In case if the settings app works on new user account, there might be some issue or corruption with the previous or existing user account, so it is highly recommended that you continue with the new user account to resolve this issue. Next we have solution number 5. So in case if you are on an older version of Windows 11, updating to a newer version might help, but you can't update because the settings app is not working and the Windows update page on settings app might not open. So the alternative solution is you can install the Windows update module using Windows PowerShell, and for that you have to just paste this command in the PowerShell window, which you can open using the terminal app. You can paste this command directly from the video description. When you see this prompt, just press Y key and press the enter key. Again you will be seeing another prompt. For that you have to just type Y, or you can also type A and press the enter key. In few moments you will find that the Windows Update module has been installed, and then you can check for Windows Update and install them using the different commands mentioned in the video description. Now in the solution number 6, we will try to boot Windows 11 into safe mode, and for that we will run msconfig command. This will open the system configuration utility. Just go to boot tab and select safe boot option and click apply followed by OK, and after that you will be asked to restart the system, and the system will be restarted in the safe mode. Check if settings app works fine in the safe mode. In case if it is working fine in the safe mode, then there might be some app or driver causing the conflict. To find the problematic app or its driver, you can follow the clean boot process using the video on this card. Then we have here solution number 7. So if settings app was working previously but no longer works now, you can use system restore feature to restore or go back to the previous state. Just search for system restore and then click on system restore under system properties window. If you have system restore points created, you will see this window where you have to click on next button, and then you have to manually select a system restore point created earlier before this issue, and once you select it, click on the next button and finally click on the finished button. Once the system restore has been completed, settings app should start working as expected. Up next we have solution number 8. In this case we will use registry to resolve this issue. So right click on the start button and select to run, type regedit and click OK. In the registry editor window, go to H key current user, software Microsoft Windows current version policies. When you arrive to policies registry key, right click and select new and then key. Name the newly created subkey as Explorer. Now come to the right pane of Explorer and right click and select new, then dword value. Name the newly created registry dword as no control panel. Make sure the dword value remains set to 0 and restart the system and check if the issue is resolved. Finally, coming to the last solution for this video, and in this case we will re-register the settings app. Since you can't uninstall the settings app, you can simply re-register it, and for that you have to right click on the start button and select terminal admin. By default, terminal admin opens to Windows PowerShell. Paste this PowerShell command from the video description in order to re-register the settings app. Once this command has been executed successfully without any errors, the settings app on your system is re-registered, and the issues you are facing with the settings app should be resolved. If you are still facing issues with your settings app on Windows 11 operating system, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.